So here's the white 95 Grand Prix again. This whole top end's coming off, and the top end you just saw getting tore down is going to go on here. Got a tire pumped up, holding air so far. Once we get it running, we're going to clean this car up, give it a bath, detail the interior, and go from there. And once this is all done and running, then I got to jump back on the ComG project and get that thing going. That's not the hood for it, so just ignore that monstrosity of mess. Anyway, that's the update for this car for now.